Welcome to your guide on how to use the ScanBox Pro. Attach the mouthpiece onto the ScanBox Pro. You want to make sure it's secure. Open the DM app and click on today's scan. Ensure you enter the number of aligner you are currently wearing and then hit start. Position your phone in the ScanBox and make sure it is secure. Check that the phone camera is in the middle of the retractor tube and adjust if needed. Place your mouth over the retractor tube. Make sure your aligners are out and you are biting together like shown. Continue to follow the instructions on your app. Now put your aligners in and follow the instructions on your app. Don't forget to review your scan to ensure you have scanned correctly. Now wait for your scan to upload and leave the app open until it has submitted. Dr. Moat will be in touch via the app to let you know if you're ready to move on to your next aligner.